Hi! We are going to show you one activity in this video that increase children's fine motor skills. Please take different color bowls or plates. If you don't have color plates, take some normal plates. Use a sketch pen or paint to mark the colors in the plates. We require some tiny toy pots or blocks or any material in different colors which is safe for kids. We have used building blocks in this video. Please ask your child to sort the color blocks in the respective color plates. This activity improves the child's color sense, eye and hand coordination. That means fine motor skills. This activity increases kids' visual perception and thinking skills. Learning to categorize and classify the colors improves memory power. Give them a lot of activities like this again and again to improve their color sense and performance. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Click the red color button to subscribe. Kindly subscribe.